Foods to eat for arthritis relief. Living with arthritis can be incredibly challenging, often leading to painful and debilitating effects on the joints. But don't worry, today we're diving into the world of nutrition to explore 5 powerful foods that might provide much-needed relief. While there's no magic cure for arthritis, what you eat can significantly impact inflammation and support joint health. So, let's uncover some science-backed foods that may help ease your symptoms and improve your overall well-being. Arthritis is an inflammatory condition, and the foods you choose can play a vital role in managing inflammation and supporting joint health. We'll delve into the science behind these arthritis-fighting foods and explore how they work to reduce inflammation and soothe those achy joints. Before we dive in, remember that individual responses to foods can vary. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional to tailor a diet that suits your unique needs. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Now, let's get started on soothing those achy joints with some delicious and beneficial foods. Cherry number 5 on our list is cherries. These vibrant fruits aren't just delicious, they're also packed with health benefits, especially for arthritis relief. Cherries are rich in antioxidants, which combat harmful free radicals in the body. In the context of arthritis, antioxidants act like superheroes by reducing inflammation and easing joint pain. One particular group of antioxidants in cherries, called anthocyanins, gives them their red, purple, and blue hues and plays a significant role in their anti-inflammatory properties. Research suggests that anthocyanins can inhibit inflammatory pathways, reducing pro-inflammatory substances that affect the joints. Regular consumption of cherries or cherry extracts may also lower uric acid levels, which can help prevent gout, a painful type of arthritis. Both fresh cherries and cherry juice or extracts offer benefits, so you can enjoy them in various forms. Garlic at number 4, we have garlic. This aromatic superstar not only enhances the flavor of dishes but also offers arthritis relief. The secret behind garlic's potential is a compound called diallyl L-disulfide. This compound acts as a powerful anti-inflammatory agent by inhibiting enzymes involved in inflammation. By reducing inflammation, garlic may help alleviate arthritis symptoms and improve joint mobility. Additionally, garlic contains antioxidant properties that can protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, further supporting joint health. Garlic is versatile and can be added to a wide range of savory dishes, from pasta sauces and stir-fries to roasted vegetables and soups. Pineapple number 3 on our list is pineapple. This tropical fruit not only adds a burst of sweetness to our diets but also contains bromelain, a powerful anti-inflammatory enzyme. Bromelain helps break down inflammatory molecules in the body, reducing joint pain and swelling. Studies suggest that bromelain can be particularly effective for individuals with osteoarthritis, a common form of arthritis. Enjoy fresh pineapple on its own, add it to fruit salads, blend it into smoothies, or use it as a topping for grilled dishes. Just remember to enjoy it in moderation to avoid overindulgence in its natural sweetness. Ginger at number 2 is ginger. This spicy root is renowned for its health benefits and can be a game changer for arthritis relief. Ginger has been used in traditional medicine for centuries due to its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Its active compounds, gingerols and shogaols, help suppress inflammatory molecules, reducing swelling and easing joint pain. Regular consumption of ginger may improve joint function and quality of life for those with arthritis. You can incorporate ginger into your daily routine by sipping on ginger tea, adding it to stir-fries, or blending it into smoothies. Olive oil. Finally, at number 1, we have olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a heart-healthy oil that deserves a special place in the fight against arthritis. Packed with monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, it helps reduce inflammation and supports joint health. One key component, oleocanthal, has anti-inflammatory properties similar to non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, but without the potential side effects. Regular use of extra virgin olive oil can lower inflammatory markers and provide relief from joint pain and stiffness. It's versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads and vegetables to marinades. Just be mindful of portion sizes, as olive oil is calorie-dense. There you have it, 5 foods that may provide relief for arthritis. Managing arthritis involves a multifaceted approach, including a balanced diet, regular physical activity, and following medical advice. Share your tips for managing arthritis in the comments below. Your insights could help others seeking relief. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more content on health, nutrition, and well-being, and click the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for joining us on this journey to discover arthritis-friendly foods. Remember, every bite counts towards a more comfortable and active lifestyle. Until next time, take care and be kind to your joints.